Today we will be making Easter eggs and a basket to go with it. Of course, we can go old school and just paint the eggs. But there is even easier way to decorate them, and that is to use Waterslide decal paper. Wanna find out? Let's jump right into it. Here is what you need: eggs and SUNNYSCOPA Waterslide decal paper, a basket with paper shred in it, and the ribbons. It's totally up to you if you want to add more. You can even eat the eggs once you're done with it, so there is no need to empty it out. So what we will do is to boil the eggs. While the eggs are boiling, let's prepare photos that will go on the eggs. You can either get the photos off the net or take them yourself. Put decal papers into the printer and print. While that's going on, we will let the boiled eggs to cool. Cut out your image and dip it in water for a while. The decal should come off in less than a half a minute. Mount the decal and find the right spot. Separate the paper. Rub off the excess water with a squeegee and you're all done. Easy, eh? Repeat the same steps with the other eggs. Put a nice ribbon on the basket, and you can also decorate with a decal paper if the basket surface is flat. Stuff paper shred in a basket and make it look like a bird nest. I hope the eggs also like their new nest. And that's it. Anyone can make an Easter egg basket with this simple way without having to paint or draw. Why don't you try it now? It's easier than it looks.